The use of solar panels is one of the best ways of generating the cleanest form of electricity. But the thing is that solar panels come in different types with different performance levels. Knowing each of the different types well and where they perform best will go a long way in giving you a satisfying or disappointing experience when going solar. In this guide, we will explain the following types of solar panels. 1. Monocrystalline solar panels. 2. Polycrystalline solar panels. 3. Thin film solar panels. 4. Building integrated photovoltaics. 5. Bifacial solar panels. And 6. Foldable solar panels. Let's now explain the details of each type of solar panel, their efficiency, and the best conditions each type of solar panel performs best. 1. Monocrystalline solar panels. Monocrystalline solar panels are made from single crystal silicon created through the Czochralski process, where a silicon seed crystal is slowly pulled from molten silicon. This manufacturing method produces uniform, dark-colored cells with rounded corners easily recognizable by their sleek black appearance. These panels typically achieve efficiency rates between 18% to 22%, making them among the most efficient commercially available solar panels. The single crystal structure allows electrons to move more freely, resulting in higher electrical output and better performance in various lighting conditions. Monocrystalline panels also have excellent temperature coefficients, meaning they lose less efficiency as temperature rises compared to other panel types. The advantage of using a monocrystalline solar panel is that it has the best efficiency and power output as compared to other solar panel types. Best conditions for monocrystalline panels. 1. Limited installation space with high energy demands. If you have a high energy demand even when you have a limited solar panel's installation space, then the best type of solar panel to use is the monocrystalline solar panel. Monocrystalline panels excel in residential and commercial installations where the installation space is small. Their higher efficiency means you can generate more electricity per square foot, making them ideal for urban homes or businesses that need maximum power output from a limited installation area. 2. Extreme weather conditions. Monocrystalline solar panels perform exceptionally well in harsh weather environments due to their robust construction and superior temperature coefficient. In regions with frequent temperature fluctuations, heavy snow loads, or extreme heat, monocrystalline panels maintain better performance and longevity compared to other types. 3. Low light and partial shading conditions. Monocrystalline panels demonstrate superior performance in low light conditions. This includes shading from surrounding buildings and cloudy days. Their single crystal structure allows for better electron flow even when sunlight is diffused, making them perfect for regions with shorter daylight hours or frequent overcast conditions. Another type of solar panel is the polycrystalline solar panel. When you do not see a monocrystalline solar panel being used, the most common alternative that you will see is the polycrystalline solar panel. Polycrystalline solar panels are manufactured from silicon crystals that are melted and poured into square molds, creating a multi-crystal structure. This simpler manufacturing process results in panels with a distinctive blue color and visible grain boundaries. While less efficient than monocrystalline panels, typically achieving 15% to 17% efficiency, they offer a more cost-effective solution for many applications. The multi-crystal structure creates some resistance to electron flow, slightly reducing efficiency, but this manufacturing method requires less energy and produces less waste, making polycrystalline panels more environmentally friendly to produce. They have good durability and typically come with 20 to 25-year warranties. Best conditions for polycrystalline panels. 1. High solar irradiance regions with extended sunlight hours. Polycrystalline panels perform optimally in areas with abundant, consistent sunlight such as desert regions, tropical locations, or areas with long summer days. The extended exposure to high-intensity sunlight compensates for their lower efficiency, allowing them to generate substantial electricity throughout the day. 2. Large-scale installations with ample space. If you are on a tight budget and cannot afford installing monocrystalline solar panels but have a large space for solar panels installation, then your best bet is to go for a polycrystalline solar panel. Polycrystalline solar panels are perfect for utility-scale solar farms, agricultural installations, or large commercial rooftops where space constraints are minimal. Since more panels are needed to achieve the same output as monocrystalline systems, Having adequate installation area allows for cost-effective large-scale deployment. Another type of solar panel is thin-film solar panels. Thin-film solar panels are created by depositing photovoltaic material in thin layers onto substrates such as glass, metal, or plastic. Common thin-film technologies include amorphous silicon, cadmium telluride, and copper indium gallium selenide. These panels are significantly lighter and more flexible than crystalline silicon panels, though they typically have lower efficiency rates of 10 to 12%. The manufacturing process allows for large-scale production and integration into various surfaces and applications. They function well in areas that require use of lightweight panels. Best conditions for thin-film panels. 1. Mobile and portable applications. The lightweight and flexible nature of thin-film panels makes them perfect for RVs, boats, backpacking equipment, and other mobile applications where weight and portability are crucial factors. Their ability to conform to curved surfaces and withstand vibration makes them ideal for transportation and outdoor adventure applications. Thin-film solar panels are easily carried around. This makes it very efficient for use to campers and people using an RV to reduce weight on the RV roof. 2. High-temperature environments. Thin-film panels have superior temperature coefficients, losing less efficiency as temperatures rise compared to crystalline panels. They're excellent for hot climate installations, building integrated applications with limited ventilation, or industrial settings where ambient temperatures are consistently high. 3. Picnics and social gatherings. Are you going for a picnic in which you need to still power some devices? If yes, then the best solar panel type you can carry with you is the thin-film solar panel. This is because they are lighter than polycrystalline and monocrystalline solar panels. Apart from being light, they are easy to fold and carry around without causing cosmetic wear to the car when installed for use. Another type of solar panel is building integrated photovoltaics. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, are solar panels designed to replace conventional building materials serving dual functions as both building envelope and electricity generator. These systems can be integrated into roofs, facades, windows, skylights, or shading structures. BIPV products include solar roof tiles, transparent solar windows, solar facades, and solar canopies that blend seamlessly with architectural design. BIPV systems offer aesthetic appeal while providing energy generation, often using various technologies including crystalline silicon, thin film, or emerging organic photovoltaics. While they may have slightly lower efficiency than traditional rack-mounted systems due to integration constraints, they provide additional value through building material cost offsets and architectural benefits. Best conditions for BIPV systems. 1. New construction and major renovations. BIPV systems are most cost-effective when integrated during initial building construction or major renovation projects. The ability to replace conventional building materials while generating electricity provides the best return on investment as it eliminates both material and labor costs for traditional roofing or facade materials. 2. Urban environments with aesthetic requirements. BIPV excels in cities, historic districts, or areas with strict architectural guidelines where traditional solar panels might be prohibited or aesthetically undesirable. These systems allow property owners to generate renewable energy while maintaining architectural integrity and complying with local building codes or homeowner association requirements. 3. Buildings with limited space. One of the greatest reasons why building integrated photovoltaics is used is due to space. This is highly applicable in high-rise buildings that require high power but have less space for solar panels installation. When this occurs, building integrated photovoltaics are used in place of wall renderings on the sides of the building. Solar roof tiles and shingles are also used in place of normal roofing materials like aluminium zinc. This helps in generating enough power for use irrespective of how limited the space in the building area is. Another type of solar panel is bifacial solar panels. Bifacial solar panels is one of the latest technological breakthroughs in the solar panel industry. Bifacial solar panels are designed to capture sunlight from both the front and rear surfaces utilizing reflected light from the ground, nearby structures, or snow. They can increase energy yield by 10 to 30% compared to traditional monofacial panels, depending on installation conditions and reflectivity of the surrounding surface. Most bifacial panels use monocrystalline or polycrystalline cells and can be mounted in various configurations including elevated ground mounts, tracking systems, or vertical installations. They typically have higher power-to-weight ratios and often come with extended warranties due to their robust construction. Best conditions for bifacial panels. 1. Highly reflective environments. Bifacial panels perform exceptionally well in areas with highly reflective surfaces, such as snow-covered regions, white rooftops, concrete surfaces, or near bodies of water. The reflected light significantly boosts the rear-side energy generation, maximizing the panel's dual surface advantage and increasing overall system efficiency. 2. Elevated ground mount installations. Bifacial panels are ideal for utility-scale solar farms or large commercial installations where they can be mounted on tracking systems or elevated structures. The increased clearance from the ground allows better airflow for cooling and more reflected light to reach the rear surface, optimizing both front and back energy capture. 3. Areas with consistent direct and indirect sunlight. Bifacial panels excel in locations that receive both strong direct sunlight and substantial ambient light throughout the day. Regions with clear skies but also good atmospheric light scattering such as high-altitude locations or areas with reflective terrain can maximize the benefits of dual-sided energy capture. Another type of solar panel is foldable solar panels. Foldable solar panels are a portable and flexible alternative to traditional fixed solar panels. Designed with convenience and mobility in mind, they are typically lightweight, compact when folded, and easy to set up. These panels use similar photovoltaic technology to convert sunlight into electricity, but they are built with materials and designs that allow them to be folded or rolled up for storage and transport. They are usually made from monocrystalline or polycrystalline cells. Foldable solar panels are better than thin film solar panels in efficiency. They are ideal for camping as they can be folded into a small size. Most of them have an inbuilt charge controller and output power through outlets like USB ports without any need to connect to an inverter before having a power output. This makes foldable solar panels very ideal for camping.